I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. An approaching cold front may lead to a few thunderstorms tonight from the Panhandle into northern Nebraska. After highs this afternoon in the low to mid-90s, a cold front tracking southeast tomorrow for highs dropping into the mid-80s from west central Nebraska into the Panhandle. All other locations topping out with highs tomorrow in the upper 80s to the mid-90s. Spotty thunderstorms a possibility late tomorrow afternoon before more widespread chances tomorrow night through Saturday morning. A few of those storms could be severe, with Nebraska and far northern Kansas in a marginal risk of severe storms, a level 1 of 5. Numerous disturbances tracking southeast continue that chance of occasional thunderstorms Saturday night through Wednesday, mostly in the evening and overnight. A major cooling trend dropping our highs to slightly cooler than average to around 80 on Saturday. Highs on Sunday, mid-70s to the low 80s, even cooler highs in the upper 60s to the mid-70s from Monday into Wednesday. Long-term forecast keeping Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Tuesday through the first 3 days of September cooler than normal. The outlook is now back to indicating above normal rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through September 3rd. Latest regional drought monitor showing Nebraska remains at 50% drought-free, which includes much of central, southwest, and eastern Nebraska. It's abnormally dry in southwest Dawson County, northern areas of Phelps and Gosper counties, the Sandhills to much of the north central, from Aurora to Seward, and from Crete to Beatrice and Plattsmouth. 24% of Nebraska continues in moderate to severe drought, including locations along and south of the line from Alma to Curtis and from Ogallala into the Panhandle. Kansas slipping 4 percentage points, but is still 82% drought-free. There are small areas of abnormal dryness around Hoxie, Abilene to Westmoreland, near La Crosse and Ness City, and Cimarron to Syracuse and down to Elkhart. 3% of Kansas remains in moderate to severe drought, including from Atwood to Phillipsburg and Concordia to Marysville. Key weather factors affecting the markets include a burst of cooler air this weekend and next week in the U.S. and rain across Europe and Australia. Cold fronts tracking across the central and eastern U.S. spark scattered rain, including 5-day totals of 1 to 3 inches along the Gulf Coast and in the southeast. Late in the weekend and early next week, the interaction between the monsoon flow of moisture and a cold front could lead to significant rain in the southwestern and south central U.S., especially from the Four Corners eastward into parts of Kansas and Oklahoma. An autumn-like surge of cool air overspreads the northern and central plains, Midwest and Northeast. Hot and dry weather dominates the Northwest. Atlantic coastal impacts related to Hurricane Erin gradually diminish, although life-threatening surf lingers for a few days. Across Europe the rest of the week, rain is widespread from Italy to Romania and could be followed by more rain next week. Western Australia expects another round of good rain for improving crop conditions as wheat starts to head. Less rain is expected in eastern Australia in the next few days as conditions get drier. Rain also looks to be limited for eastern Australia next week. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.